Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get blueprints in islands. Blueprints are incredibly valuable items that unlock new crafting recipes, allowing you to create a wide array of tools, weapons, and decorations. Think of them as your guide to expanding your island's capabilities. Remember, each blueprint is a one-time use item, so choose wisely when you decide to learn a new recipe. There are several ways to acquire blueprints. Many players find them by defeating powerful bosses like the Slime King or Buffulker, who sometimes drop them as loot. You can also get them from other hostile mobs, like wizard lizards. Completing quests for non-player characters can also reward you. For the patient, fishing can occasionally yield a rare blueprint, and trading with other players is always an option for those hard-to-find items. Blueprints come in different categories, including those for furniture, fish tank decorations, and powerful weapons. Each blueprint is used at a specific crafting station. For example, weapon blueprints are used at an anvil. It's important to note that furniture blueprints are now considered legacy items, meaning they are no longer dropped by mobs or given through quests. Your best bet for these is to trade with other players. The rarity of blueprints varies greatly. Some, like the Vamp Bow blueprint, have incredibly low drop rates, sometimes as rare as 1 in 5,000 kills. To maximize your chances, consistently defeat bosses and various mobs. For those exceptionally rare blueprints, or if you're looking for a specific item, consider visiting player trading hubs. Patience and persistence are key to expanding your crafting repertoire in islands.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.